Hello, I'm Jeffrey Hanina, Executive Director of Business Development with Strobes R Us, and I'm introducing today our new side runner for the Chevy Tahoe PPV. It's fully integrated within the side step of the Tahoe, and what's special about it is it can do features such as cruise fully integrated, and by just simply removing the body molding on that running board, you can 3M VHB adhesive this very simply in place of it, and it gives you a nice discreet look when it's off. And when it turns on, you could do features such as side strobe for running code 3 or calls, and then when you switch over to scene light, it will override to white. And then if you're just sitting basically on the side on special detail on the side of the road, you can have it in cruise mode to where it's effectively giving you some dim light for you to be noticeable by oncoming traffic. For more information, please visit our website at strobesrus.com.